Alright, today we're going to explore function notation and solving it. So if we look at number 1 here, we've got what is f of negative 3 for the following function. Now this doesn't mean just plug in negative 3 and multiply that whole thing times negative 3. It really just means plug in negative 3 in for x. So if I say what is f of x is equal to 5, x minus 8 over 11, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in f of x just like it says there, and I'm going to say that's equal to, and I've got to open up a parenthesis, so 5, open up another parenthesis, x minus 8, close both of those, divide that whole entire thing by 11. Now then there's a graph here. Don't even worry about the graph right this moment. You can look at it and check it as well in a moment, but right now we're just going to look and we're going to say, okay, what is f of negative 3? Well, f of negative 3 is negative 5. And if I look here, if x is negative 3, right here, negative 3, where is the y value? It's at negative 5. Same idea here. What is f of x? What is f of 6 for the following function? Well, we have f of x is equal to negative 6 over x minus 12. Well, again, type in your original. So we've got negative 6x divided by x minus 12. Now when I do that, again, I hit enter, and I say I want f of 6. So what's f of 6? Well, it's 6. So if I go again here till 6, where is the y value? It's at 6. If f of x is x minus 5 squared plus 3, what's f of negative 2? So again, I'm going to go here, delete this out. I've got parentheses x minus 5. We're going to square it. And again, to get the squared, you just hit the 6 button with the little caret, and then the 2. Press to the right to get out of that, plus 3. Now then I want f of negative 2. So, negative 2. And my answer here is 52. And if I want to check, I can bring this all the way up here, negative 2. And at negative 2, you can see right here, there is my value for y. What is the value of f of negative 8 when f of x is equal to 2x to the third power minus 2x minus 6. So again, 2x, we want to hit the little caret to the third power, press to the right, minus 2x minus 6. Well, in this case, I want f of negative 8. So my answer here is negative 1014. And if I really want to get crazy and look all the way down here at my graph, I can see all the way down. I can zoom in a little bit and I can see it's right there. And if I zoom in and zoom in and zoom in, you can check it out. It's really small, but it's there, I promise.